Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, on this beautiful spring day, we're making a cocktail chock full of citrus like lemon, a little Luxardo Maraschino liqueur, a little Creme de Violet or violet, depending on where you're from. This thing is a beautiful, bright, citrusy spring classic cocktail. It's made with gin, and it's a crowd pleaser in the spring. This cocktail is called the Aviation. Now, the build for the Aviation is 2 ounces of gin. Some would say, preferably, Aviation gin. Right, Ryan Reynolds? But use whatever you got on hand. 3/4 ounce lemon juice, a 1/2 ounce of Luxardo Maraschino liqueur, and a 1/2 ounce of violet liqueur. That's shaken, that's double strained, that's served up in a coupe glass, that's gonna be garnished with a cherry and a lemon peel. So, the great thing about this cocktail is it's so light in prep. All we gotta do is cut and juice some citrus. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the prep work. The tools you're gonna need for the prep: you're gonna need a cutting board, you're gonna need a knife, you're gonna need a citrus juicer, you're gonna need some sealable storage containers, and you're gonna need a basket strainer. All right, so let's go ahead and start juicing our citrus. So let's go ahead and grab our cutting board, we'll grab our citrus juicer, let's grab our knife, and we're gonna get all our lemons sliced up and juiced. All right, grab 3 containers. Let's go ahead and juice these bad boys. We're juiced. Let's grab our basket strainer and double strain our citrus juice as always. Once, get rid of that pulp. Twice. Grab that blue tape to label and date. And remember guys, lemon juice good for 2 days, throw it out on the 3rd day. All right guys, we got our lemons juiced. All right, that is it for the prep work today guys. Super easy, right? I went ahead and put my lemon juice in this cheater bottle here. So we are ready to rip. This is a beautiful shaken spring cocktail. So first thing we're gonna need is our shaker tin. And we're gonna need our jigger. We're also gonna need our glassware. So, cheapest ingredients, the most expensive ingredients. You need 3/4 ounce lemon juice. You need a 1/2 ounce of our violet liqueur. A 1/2 ounce of our maraschino liqueur. And 2 ounces of our gin. Next, we're gonna need some ice. Fill that shaker tin all the way to the top with ice. Let's seal that bad boy up and shake for 12 seconds as always. Seconds, crack that shaker tin. Grab our hawthorn and our basket strainer and double strain that cocktail. A beautiful light bluish hue right down in my plums. Gonna grab some of our cherries here. Grab a skewer. We got our cherries. Let me grab a lemon. We're gonna try to get a wide fat peel on that lemon, just like so. Let's spritz the cocktail to get a little bit of those essential lemon oils on there. Then we are going to take a little skewer here, and we're gonna skewer one end of the lemon. We're gonna do what's called making a flag. Grab one of these cherries out of here, pretty bulbous one, and we're gonna skewer the cherry, and then skewer the other side of the lemon, and that's what's called a little cocktail flag there. Place that bad boy right on top. There you have it guys, the Aviation. Let's taste. That bad boy right down in there. You get the lemon, you get the violet liqueur is the first few things I notice, along with that gin. Botanical notes from the gin, floral from that violet liqueur, touch of sweetness from that Luxardo Maraschino, so you get a little cherry note, citrusy, bright and light. A fantastic cocktail, once again, for your spring cocktail parties, whatever you're doing. This is a crushable, enjoyable cocktail, guys. Make sure you drink responsibly. I said, baby, floral and citrus, cherry and gin. You can't go wrong. I want to eat this cherry though. I don't want to eat the lemon peel part. I'm just gonna do that. Love a good cocktail cherry. And I love a good aviation. There it is, guys. The aviation in all its glory. Perfect for your spring time woes, baby. Ryan Reynolds, call me. I'll do a cocktail video with you. We're here making cocktails on Happiness Bar set. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote down save for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone. That was a fun one.